channel.
I saw a pink flamingo by the pool, standing on one leg, looking so cool. A yellow duck went quack, 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 splashing in the water, then waddled back. A green turtle on the sandy shore, slow and steady, I watched it explore. A blue dolphin jumped so high, waving hello as it splashed the sky. A brown crab with claws so wide scuttled on the rocks, then tried to hide. A red parrot flew over my head, singing loud tunes as it zigzagged and sped. A purple jellyfish with a squishy glow danced in the sea, moving slow, slow, slow. A white seagull soared through the breeze, calling out call over oceans and trees. An orange starfish lay in the sand, wiggling its arms like a little band. A black and white orca, big and bold, swam in the sea where the water's cold. Let's name them all one by one. Summer animals having fun in the sun.
Don't forget to subscribe to Perry Tunes and make sure to like and share as well. Bye, friends.